Hello there, fellow entrepreneurs. Today we'll be chatting about what makes a really good website and what makes a website convert, meaning that clients would come in and you would be actually getting money for the traffic that's coming into your website. What are the factors that you need to watch out for to make sure that your new website that you're building, or if somebody's building it for you, actually does its job and is working hard for you, just like you're working hard for your business. So that's the topic of today's video, and we're going to look at this case of Logopipe website. It has been really successful for us. We're designing high quality logos, and this website has been converting for us really well. We got a lot of leads, a lot of clients from it. Let's check it out. The kind of the psychology behind what went into building this website, and what are the specific metrics, specific items, like if we can really narrow it down to the most important elements that make this website work. That's what the focus of this video today is. So Logopipe is a business that creates logo designs for newly built businesses, or if a company wants to rebrand, we also design logos for them. So what makes somebody would actually make an action on the website and to purchase something? Basically, we have the two hemispheres at the left and the right brain hemispheres. Everybody knows one is the creative one, the other one is a more logical one. And the thing is that we need to make sure that we are targeting both hemispheres. If the right hemisphere and the left hemisphere is convinced that that's exactly what they need, then a person would actually go and purchase something. If there is no coherency with the left and the right brain hemispheres, then there would be no purchase. So that's why you always see logos targeting the creative hemisphere, and the numbers or letters, text, statistics targeting the logical hemisphere. When they have both of those things together, then they work, it's memorable, people purchase, they actually do make an action. Website is no different to any flyer or a very well put together marketing material. We need to make sure that we're targeting both of those things. That's why you can see that we have a phone number and there's a phone icon here. That's really important, that the phone icon is actually shown that it's ringing. That's a call to action for the creative hemisphere to actually give us a call, and there's a phone number big, so it actually registers and they're going to go and dial that number. The structure of the website is very well put together. We've tweaked it so many times to actually get it to work and for it to convert, and you'll be surprised. A very tiny change that you don't think is really significant would actually make a very big difference when it comes to conversion. Even like creating this piece over here, we create stunning logo designs. If this was on the left hand side and the video was on the right hand side, that already could be enough to make a significant difference when it comes to the conversion. So it's very small, subtle things that actually make a big difference at the end. So we have a video which basically establishes reputation, which shows that we actually build logos for a serious company. And the fact that we are creating stunning logo designs, we actually embed that image with text. So whenever a person comes here, that is something that pretty much gets embedded into a person's subconscious right from the get-go. As we move into the next aspect of it, of course, we have call to action buttons. They're critically important because somebody would come here, yes, I need stunning logo design, let's get started. They can't be ready to go. So we want to capture that person right here before they actually go down and lose their attention. That's why you can see so many call to action buttons all throughout every single stage of the way for a person to make that action, to get in touch with us and order that logo. If they are not convinced with just this stuff, they want to learn more, that's where we get to the learn more. There are obstacles to a person not purchasing a logo, logo from us, which can be, they might think that it's not a custom logo, it's just clip art. So we have a custom logo design, and again, a logical and creative brain hemisphere. Logical, creative, everything needs to have two things for it to actually register: an icon and a text. So satisfaction guaranteed. Another obstacle, they might not be satisfied, but we guarantee satisfaction. They might think that there is only one logo design, but there are multiple revisions, and that's and there's a fairly quick turnaround time. Every business, your business, will have obstacles as well, so it's really important for you to target those obstacles right here at the very beginning, so that when a person goes through, they're less inclined to wonder if you will satisfy their request, because that has been already addressed by those 4 icons. In our case, it's 4. Logo design process, for them to understand how things get done. This is very logical element, that's why it's fairly plain and simple. And at this point, they're pretty much ready to order, but they want to know what packages they are. So they will go and actually see what we have, and we're going to put up the best and the most expensive package first. We're going to really decorate it, really show it off, like the custom approach. There's a pencil and a pen, there's some ideas that go around to actually making that logo, and to make it presentable. So there's a lot of work involved in actually getting truly custom logo design. That's what we want people to purchase, is the truly custom logo design. Moving forward, on that page we have other options which are not as lucrative for us. At the same time, a client will not get the truly custom logo design. There's still really awesome logos. A lot of the logos here are done in this price range, but we want person to purchase this price point, so that's why it comes first, and it stands out. Once we established our price points, at this time they might want to see some portfolio items, or they're ready to order. Again, call to actions. Then we have portfolio for those ones that want to learn more. At the portfolio stage, they're just browsing here. They're not really ready to order. They might want to see more samples. So we have created a page for more samples, which is just plain page with more logo designs. And of course, we need to build credibility by this stage. If they want to invest $1,500, they better know who they're working with. So there's the team of people that they'll be working with. Really important to establish credibility by showcasing your team, physical people, real developers, real designers. And final thing is the final call to action. So this works. You can look it up. There are case studies, there's university lectures specific on website design best practices and the optimum flow of elements on the design. But the website is a story, so you need to relay your marketing story in a web format. If you do that, your website will be successful. It's going to convert. If you bring in traffic through Google Ads or any other means, it's going to convert. You're going to get leads. You're going to actually make money. If you don't do that, if you just throw together a website, it might be not very expensive, fairly inexpensive website, say $550 built by some small agency or maybe even large agency that's using templates. Chances are it's not going to actually convert, and you're just going to lose money on marketing. Actually, you'll probably lose thousands of dollars on marketing a website that has never been designed for conversion. So don't make that mistake. It's important to make a website that actually converts and then put in thousands and thousands of dollars into marketing and get good return on investment. Alright, so that wraps up this quick video on how to design and what to look for when you're building a website. This is, by the way, a single-paged website. Everything is on one page. Makes it really easy to navigate. And if you are interested in us building a website for you, check out our website, webeka.com. There's a ton of different cool resources, but the easiest thing is to give me a phone call or send me an email. Let's schedule a call, a Zoom call. We'll go through your website needs and I will put together a good quotation for you so that it's within your budget and you'll have a website that will work for ages, and it will also be something that would convert your leads into clients. Thank you.